walk up.
Ben did it.
See how
much do you weigh?
175.
How much do you weigh?
155.
20 pounds, come on.
No.
get on my shoulder.
Go up there.
Can I really?
She's
How much
serious
you weigh?
redneck,
Like
and
220?
she likes bonfires. Her boyfriend wanted to take her to let's go.
Oh, are you really getting on my shoulder?
Yes, you're gonna walk over there.
No!
You want to get a stop?
Hey, can I get on your shoulders?
Get on my shoulders?
Can you get on my shoulders?
He just struck me getting on mine.
It's still running.
Come on.
Come on.
You gonna get this?
Oh!
Go in it.
I know!
Alright, let me down. Let me down.